Hey everyone, in this quick Uber Eats tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use the Uber Eats driver app for accepting your first order to making the delivery step by step. Whether you're a brand new or just a refresher, this guide has you covered. Step 1 is to open the Uber driver app. Tap the Uber driver app to launch it and make sure you're logged into your delivery account. Step 2 is go online. Onto the bottom of the screen, tap You are offline to switch online. If you see right options like UberX, toggle them off if you only want to do food deliveries and keep deliveries turned on. Step 3 is to customize your service. Tap See More to enable other delivery types, like for example alcohol delivery, Uber Directs, package deliveries, and insulated pizza deliveries. Step 4. Go where the orders are. Head to the hot zones or high demand areas, which is shown in red onto the map. These are typically busy restaurants or densely populated neighborhoods. Step 5 is accepting an order. When an order pops up, you'll see your restaurant name, estimated time and distance, and your pay. Just simply tap accept to take the job. Step 6. Head to the restaurant. Navigate using the app's built-in GPS. When you arrive, the app may prompt you to wait to notify the staff. Sometimes you'll need to verify the order, like for example grilled chicken club meal or a nugget. Step 7 is to verify pickup. Depending on the restaurant, you might need to take a photo of the food, confirm the order matches what's in the application, and let staff know you're in Uber Eats for quicker service. Step 8 is delivery instructions. Read customer instructions carefully. For example, ring the doorbell and leave onto the porch. Follow what's written, not just what the app says. Step 9. Complete the delivery. Tap Confirm Delivery, slide Completely Delivery, and done. Your earning will show up into the app immediately and go to your instant pay card. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.